so we are back over here checking on our truck, and we were going to get Brandon to kind of show us around his shop a little bit.
My toy box?
Your toy box,
yeah,
yes.
That's right. So this is a 1960 Biscayne. Guy from California brought it to me in pieces. I've got it to this point right now doing wiring and plumbing. Already got the air ride and everything hooked up. It's LS3 powered, 4L60E. Got a 4 9-inch in the rear with gears. Should be pushing about 600 horse when I'm done. So it'll be a fun little throw around grocery getter. So this is a 1927 little Model T hot rod frame. I got the body outside, but that's going to be a fun little run around town project. And then of course y'all's awesome dually.
He was going to get back together soon.
Then we got the cab over. I have no idea when it's going to get finished, but hopefully soon.
Personal projects are always the longest.
Personal project. You know, it takes the back burner over everybody else. This is the new project in the house. This is a 53. It's a 210. No trim, no nothing. He wants it all blacked out. It already has a full ride tech underneath it, a small block, fuel injection, $700. I just got to finish everything.
We're gonna get rid of the teeth?
No, we're keeping the teeth.
Okay, good. I like them.
Yeah, keeping the teeth. Probably gonna paint the grill a different color, but everything else will be completely blacked out. Probably be black interior. We'll get the windows tinted, and it'll be
kind of like Batman.
It'll be gangster for sure. And then this one, it came in about the same time as y'all. Another Ford truck. It's a F100 4-wheel drive. He bought the truck the way it was. He wants to go through the motor, do fuel injection, make it a little more user friendly, I would say.
He got the pretty stuff done first.
Yeah, all the pretty stuff was done, but they didn't go through the motor and everything, so it's smoking. Probably has about 150,000 miles on it.
I'd smoke too if I was that old.
Yeah. So we're waiting on him to go to the machine shop. I got all his pretty parts over there. So we're ready, rocking and rolling.
And then you got this little toy right here, huh?
Yeah, it's a little toy. That's a trash bike. That's what that is. Got it out the trash.
That's the best kind. All right, and this is the outdoor backyard.
Yeah, this is the junk lot.
This is the we gonna do something with it eventually
right.
section. But along with that, well, look, it's lovely. There's the cab.
This one we actually are gonna do something with. That's what the frame inside's for.
That's gonna be neat.
Once a boy and a girl with no path to find, but right now I'm satisfied. We fought each other's war. You and me, we traveled far. You and me, we traveled far. You and me, we traveled far. You
What we working on back here, Mr. Bob?
1971 Ford C6.
Oh man, got the round bell housing,
Yeah.
3-bolt starter.
Yeah.
Yep, that's all right.
71 model.
Cast iron, roller bearing. Got a roller bearing.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, indeed. Looks like somebody worked on it not too long ago or something.
Just trying to tell you.
Somebody did something to something.
Huh?
It's got the newer model gaskets on there.
What you mean?
Well, with the writing on it. Instead of just a plain black gas. Got an end cap.
Look at the turbo that's always
Yep.
They feel fresh too.
Fresh dress like $1 million. Look at these rings on here. See if somebody had changed them before. I'm looking at the rings on the governor housing. See if they had changed them before. They have a little dark spot, a little bit, not much.
Yeah, I'll get changed too.
Man, that thing's clean, dude. Woo!
Put the piston in the back of it.
What's that?
I can put the piston in.
Oh yeah.
Huh?
They had It's all right though.
You got some boiler in it.
Oh, let me blow it a little bit more. What's it looking like, Mr. Bob?
I don't know. I got it up to here,
Put
maybe.
it up to here. Well, that thing sure is clean, ain't it?
That's what I was told. I can see. How does this look? Let's put these. So these don't have any nuts.
These are the new ones here.
Huh?
These are the new ones. Here you go. Let me see them you got. Trade me them and take these from me. Oh, got one. Here you go. Here's one. Oh, there go that one. There you go. What's that?
Put them all on.
Yep.
You know what kind of transmission I started working on?
What's that?
Cruising.
What was it?
Cruising.
Cruisin-matic.
Yeah, cruising. You know what was wrong with it?
What was wrong with it?
You know that bolt that goes through the, that servo that holds the reverse?
Yep. It was touching?
It was broke.
Oh.
I think I got them on.
I got a camera right here, so you can't get them on there. We can tap them. We tap them a little bit. They all go on in. Found some extra parts.
No, they must be good.
Just leave the extra parts. We're going to Leave them on the table over there.
Extra parts stored in the garage
We don't need the extra parts.
for somebody. You got that pump washer?
I sure do. There you go.
What's that?
Big.
Oh. It's got a number on it.
Let me see. I didn't even look.
I just can't see.
I can't see that well myself.
I can't see that number.
It says a 2.
2.
That's what it is. Number 2.
Number 2.
Been a long time since I looked at one of these.
It's been a long time since I've been through